We're going to go in and optimize the Sprint Galaxy Tab 4 by changing some network settings, GPS settings, display, security, update the device, etc., etc. So the screen is black. This little home button, you can just give that a little press there, and it'll wake up the device. And then you just take your finger and just swipe the screen. Now, some things have downloaded to the device. One in particular is the Sprint Connections Optimizer. This is going to help your device hand off its internet connection between the Sprint network, cell phone network outside, and your Wi-Fi connection inside. So you definitely want to agree to that. Just makes the connection handoff smoother. Now, what we want to do is we want to go into settings. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can take your finger and just swipe down from the top, and there's a little settings icon here. Okay, you can get there that way. That's kind of a little backdoor way to get there, but the appropriate way to get the settings is click on the home, click on the little shortcut to your desktop, okay, and then click settings. All right, now first things first is we're already connected to a Wi-Fi network. All right, so we're good there. So we need to go ahead and change the location settings, okay? So we're going to click on location. Click on that again. Click on location, and the mode is currently set to power saving mode. So we're going to change that to high accuracy. All right, so there we go. So we've got high accuracy, so that's the first thing. Now we want to click on more networks, and we want to go into roaming, okay? So click roaming, and we want to go ahead and turn the roaming guard off. All right, so how we're going to do that is click on roaming guard and then simply uncheck the domestic data roaming guard, okay? Then we're going to back up, and then we're going to go to roaming settings, all right? And then we want to enable domestic data roaming, all right? And once again, just click do not show this again, and then click OK. But let's go back one more time and check the roaming guard. All right, so that's now been disabled. Okay, let's go into mobile networks just real briefly. Everything is good to go there. And once again, the connection optimizer, that intelligent mobile network and Wi-Fi settings, again, that's what we just installed just a second ago, which is a little application that allows for seamless handoff between Wi-Fi and the Sprint mobile network. All right, so now that takes care of that. So now we want to go into the display, and we want to tell the display, it's currently set to timeout after 30 seconds of inactivity. That can become a little annoying. Let's change that to 5 minutes, okay? And then, let's see here. Now we want to go to General, okay? And we want to go to Security. Then we want to allow the installation of applications from unknown sources in case you want to install an application outside of the Google Play Store. So you check that box, and then you're just going to confirm it. Okay. And now we want to go through the process of updating the device just to make sure that it's updated. Okay. So you've got the system update, the update now, where it says update now. That's going to go out and check and see if there's a firmware update from Samsung. Now, it already says last checked on 8/29, which is today, so it automatically checks when you first power the device up. But let's just say you need to download the latest firmware package, or you just want to see. So as you can see, software update, the latest updates have already been installed. Now, if there were an update available, what would happen is it would let you know that there's update 3.5.16 or what have you, and the updates are typically pretty large, so you're going to want to be over Wi-Fi whenever you do that. And you could be downloading a 200 megabyte file, update file, or a 70 megabyte file. And then you have the option to tell it to update over Wi-Fi only, so it's not happening in the field, it's happening at home or at your office. And then next you want to update the PRL, which is the preferred roaming list. So we're going to click update. It's going to take a minute. It's going to download any kind of updates needed. PRL has been updated, so we're good there. That usually only takes just a minute. Then we're going to click Update Profile. So this is the Sprint Sprint Network Settings profile. So if you ever have a problem with your device connecting to data, sometimes it's going to pop up. Sometimes you're going to need to go update the Sprint Network profile, which is in Settings, General, and System Update. And let's see if there's anything else we need to do. Nope, that's it. So that's exactly the steps from A to Z on how to optimize the Sprint Samsung Galaxy Tab 4.